Now I would like to explain about the questions. The first one question is state Mendeleev's periodic law. According to Mendeleev periodic classification, the definition is the physical and chemical properties of an elements and their periodic function of atomic weight. The second one question, how many vertical columns and horizontal rows are present in Mendeleev's periodic table? The second one question answer is the Mendeleev's periodic table contain 8 vertical columns and 7 horizontal rows are present. Next, the third one question is why Mendeleev had to leave certain blank spaces in his periodic table. What is your explanation for this? According to Mendeleev periodic classification, this is the excellent advanced thought because of the Mendeleev periodic table containing some empty spaces are present. According to Mendeleev's periodic table contain some empty or blank spaces are present. Because in future maybe some elements are some related elements are introduced and it is a correct suitable position. That's why Mendeleev Mendeleev's leave some empty spaces. Next, one more question. Explain anomalous series. Anomalous mean abnormal properties. According to Mendeleev, will identify the anomalous pair of element. In this periodic table containing some elements are can show the anomalous pair of element. The fourth one question. Anomalous mean abnormal properties. So, according to Mendeleev, Mendeleev's the classification of elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight. But if you take tellurium and iodine, tellurium atomic weight is 127.6 and iodine is 126.9. Actually, according to Mendeleev periodic classification, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight. But here the precede element is more atomic weight than succeed element. So that's why this pair of elements will consider the anomalous series. The next one question. Describe the arrangement of elements in Mendeleev's periodic table. According to Mendeleev classification of elements, the elements are arranged in the both physical and chemical properties of the elements and their periodic function of their atomic weight. That is called Mendeleev periodic law. According to Mendeleev's periodic table contain eight vertical columns, is called groups and horizontal rows is called periods. And every group further divided to subgroups. Every group further divided two subgroups. Two subgroups A and B. Next, according to his classification, every group of elements can show the same properties. For example, if you take one A group elements, generally consider R it is a react with oxygen to form a RO. Example, lithium, sodium and potassium. So Li2O, Na2O, next K2O. So if you take second group elements, with oxygen, to form a RO. Example, beryllium oxide, calcium oxide and magnesium oxide. The Mendeleev will explain different properties of elements. Ultimately, the similar properties of elements can kept in the same group based on the balancing. So finally, Mendeleev's concluded similar properties of an element kept in the same group based on balancing. So this is the Mendeleev periodic classification of elements. Thank you.